Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Google Cloud Platform (GCP). Review my usage experience. Google Cloud Platform (GCP) Review My Usage Experience offers a way to analyze and understand your GCP billing and resource usage. It's primarily aimed at users of Google Cloud Platform who want to optimize their spending and identify areas for potential cost savings. Key features include detailed reports, cost allocation, and recommendations for resource optimization. Their website provides details on specific features and functionalities. Their website provides details on various reporting options and tools for analyzing your cloud spending. They highlight ease of use through a well-designed interface and emphasize pricing transparency. Your costs are clearly laid out. They leverage Google's advanced data analytics to provide insightful reports. Availability is global, reflecting GCP's reach. The service is directly integrated into the GCP console, making it easily accessible to existing users. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Google Cloud Platform (GCP). Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I simply navigated to the billing section within my GCP console and found the reporting tools easily. The interface is intuitive, with clear visualizations and interactive dashboards. I was able to quickly generate reports showing my spending broken down by project, service, and region. The performance was excellent, reports generated quickly, even for large datasets. One report highlighted that I was using a significantly more expensive instance type than needed for one of my projects, saving me a substantial amount in the long run. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the cost allocation reports, and their online support documentation answered it clearly. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The ability to filter and customize reports was a huge plus. One minor drawback was the lack of a scheduled report generation feature. I had to manually generate reports when needed. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with GCP's billing and usage review tools. It's a powerful tool for managing cloud costs, and I highly recommend it to anyone serious about optimizing their GCP spend. That's my overview of Google Cloud Platform (GCP). Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.